Hi everyone. Today we will study class 11 CBSE Maths chapter 3 trigonometry exercise 3.3 question number 5 first and second part. Before that we have to study some identities, trigonometric identities. Sin A plus B, the formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If you have learned one, the other one is very easy to learn. For sin A minus B you just have to change the sign. ओके प्लस का क्या बन जाएगा माइनस बन जाएगा साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी हो जाएगा. ओके नाउ कमिंग टू कॉस ए प्लस बी कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. आपको कॉस में क्या ध्यान रखना है कि जब प्लस होता है तो यहाँ पे माइनस आता है और जब यहाँ पे माइनस होता है तो यहाँ प्लस आता है. बट कॉस के आइडेंटिटी में कॉस एक तरफ और साइन एक तरफ आता है. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू टेन ए प्लस बी टेन ए प्लस टेन बी अपॉन वन माइनस टेन बी. और जब टेन ए माइनस बी होता है तो टेन ए माइनस टेन बी अपॉन वन प्लस टेन ए टेन बी. चेंज क्या आता है कि यहाँ पर जब प्लस है तो इधर पे माइनस आ जाएगा क्योंकि जब माइनस की आइडेंटिटी हो तो ऊपर के साइन सेम रहेंगे नीचे का चेंज हो जाता है. तो दिस इज हाउ दीज आर द सिंपल ट्रिक यू कैन रिमेंबर द साइन. ओके एटलीस्ट बट द रियल थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू लर्न द फॉर्मूलाज. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 first part sin 75 degree. How to find the value of sin 75 degree? For this you have to split the value of the 75. How you can write the 75? So sin 75 can be written as 40 plus 45 plus 30. See 45 plus 30 will become what? 75. So you can apply which identity? Sin A plus B. This identity can be applied over here. Sin A plus B. Okay. So what it is? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the identity. Okay. So now what it will become? Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. So sin 45 is what? 1 upon root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So it will become root 3 upon 2 under root 2 plus 1 upon 2 under root 2. So it will become root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is how you can find the value of sin 75. In the same way you can go for tan 15. So you have to again split 15 degree. So how to get 15 degree? 45 minus 30 which will give you what? 15 degree. So which identity you will apply? This identity. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. What it will become? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan A tan B. This is how it can be done. So it will become tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Tan 45 is what? 1. Tan 30 is what? 1 upon under root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 upon under root 3. I have just simply put the values of tan 45 and tan 30. Nothing else I have done over here. Now we will take the LCM of the numerator. It will become what? Root 3. It will become root 3 minus 1 whole upon. Again we will take the LCM over here. Root 3. So it will become root 3 plus 1. These root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. The final answer will become what? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay. So this is the value of the tan 15 degree. If you want you can simplify it by doing the rationalization of the denominator. Okay, that can also be done. So this is how you can solve the question number 5 first and second part. The most important thing is you will be able to solve all these type of questions by learning these formulas. Your homework for this video is find tan 75 degree, sin 15 degree, cos 75 degree, cos 15 degree. So these values you have to find for the practice. So these are your practice questions. So if you want to do the practice you can find these values and do the practice. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.